I'm an instructor of UX and UI design in the Create Career College. The design field is very dynamic. UX and UI are specific fields of design to make people comfortable to use applications in the digital world. UX is user experience. It means we need to build a path people can use when interacting with software. The user interface is the visuals that users can see, and it is built under the structure that user experience built before. They build usability, so both work together. It's good to understand the basics or the logic because you need to collaborate with developers in your projects. But I can emphasize that coding is not important in the UX UI design position. According to the economics or situation in the world, all of the industries need designers. With the pandemics, for example, many companies start to invest more and more in digital solutions. It means more designers were hired to make more projects. And after pandemics, we also have many opportunities right now because those companies that started before in the pandemics to be digital, they need to have more maturity in their system. In a co-op program, you have opportunity to enter in the field from the college. Design is everywhere, and we need designers for the world.